Partnering Algebraic Readiness with Microsoft Excel has over 150 activities for middle school students and teachers. Each lesson in this book consists of several components. You open a file, and the components of the different lessons are visible on the tabs at the bottom of each screen. This is a lesson on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. On the first tab, Graphing Fractions, generates a pie chart illustration of the displayed fraction. The next tab, Comparing Fractions, has two pie chart illustrations so students can visually see why one fraction is larger than another fraction. And we have some number lines for comparing fractions as well, in order to open discussion between teacher and student. When they're ready, we can move on to guided practice exercises that randomly generate problems for students to solve. This one is with common denominators. Adding any fraction, common denominator or not. This illustrates addition of fractions, so again the kids can visually see why their answers make sense. And then most lessons also include self-checking exercises where students can type in their name and then type their answers into the yellow rectangles, and when they hit enter, the computer will give them instantaneous feedback as to whether they're right or whether they need to try again. Other topics include lessons on inequalities, measures of central tendency, including mean, median, mode, and range. Positive and negative exponents. Operations with integers. Number patterns. Percents. Working with variables. Plotting points. Graphing lines. Rounding practice. And more. Topics presented include absolute value, greatest common factor, least common multiple, measures of central tendency, exponents, fractions, patterns, percents, inequalities, perimeter and area, decimals, factors, plotting points, square roots, rounding, adding and subtracting integers, multiplying and dividing integers, variables, and domain and range. A CD with all the files you need is included with the book. Using this book will help your students discover, reinforce skills they already have, discuss them, and receive immediate feedback for answers. For more information, go to www.karenferrell.net or go to Visions Technology and Education's website to purchase your book today, www.toolsforteachers.com.